Yo, what's up guys? Welcome again to my another gameplay series na naman. At so maglalaro tayo ngayon ng tinatawag nilang Forgotten Anne. Anong meron sa Forgotten Anne? So ayon sa akin, nakita ko sa Play Store, isa siya sa mga top 2020, top 2021 na nasa top talaga, na napakagandang game. So beautiful game, nice story, nice graphics, good graphics, great graphics. So, ano pang hinihintay natin? So, simulan na natin. So, sino nga ba siya? Pero bago yun, let's take the invisible. Yeah. Graphics quality, good na tayo. Good na yan? Good na ba yan? Gamma? What is gamma? Hindi, I don't know. So, let's begin the story. Wow. Napakaganda ng ng kanyang starting game. Ang kanyang kanyang animated scene. Double check ko lang yung ating mic. Baka may problema tayo sa mic. What? Okay, you made just.
Another one just arrived.
Ooh, asak. Wow. So, meron silang mga voicing, which is nice and good.
Good quality wood, sturdy, cast iron legs, very nice. Continue straight ahead, please. Don't worry, we have lots of your kind here. Now, let's see. Big born, my twin, factory knitted. I'd advise you to look for a job right here at the plant. Why don't you go down the stairs?
Help us change the realm. Apply for your validation sticker right here. Did a job with meaning. Remember, you're not rotten, just forgotten.
Wow, ang dami. Ang dami nila. Forgotten nga, di ba? So, yung mga na-forgot na gamit. So, napupunta dyan. Okay. Ooh. Oh. Switch to low quality improvements performance. You can switch back on at any time in the settings. No. Continue. Low quality? Pwede ah. Anong low quality mo dyan? Sa paking pakita eh. Ganda-ganda ng graphics. Tapos papapalit mo sa akin. Ooh. Si Anne. Ang ganda niya. Pretty si Anne. Ang pretty niya. Napakaganda niya.
What's going on?
Okay. So where is our controls? What? Lilipat kita dito sa kabila. Gumagalaw ka ng sarili mo ah. Yeah, siguro. Okay, so there is the left and right. Tap, yep, probably tap that one. Oh, dito.
Oh no.
Move the circle to look around. Ay, kaya pala, nandun pala sa taas yung ano ko. Yung aking kuhan. So, let's tap this one muna. First, ay hindi. O nga pala, dito nga pala ang tap niyan. Okay, nagkakaproblema tayo sa ating kuhan. Okay. So, tap natin yan. Meron yan. Smoke from the watchtower. Hopefully yan. Tiffany. Yep. Okay. Yeah. Okay, so anong meron? Ito palagi itatap natin. The plant seems to be operational. So, yeah. Probably. Okay, so may nakikita tayo dito. What is that? No animal at the workshop. Okay. Wala na. Oh, let's go back. Yeah, let's go. Master Bonko, I seems like forever ago. Wala na. Okay, let's go. Nice background music's there. Okay. Okay, probably. No, probably. Intik talaga to logo na to eh. Yeah. Check na natin tong baba. Ano meron makikita tayo dito? Okay, so hindi muna ako bababa dyan. Okay. Yep. Go up. You can go up. Ano? Hindi niya kayang tumaas. What? Hindi niya kayang tumaas. Oh, teka nga. Settings. Stick na. Gawin natin siyang static. Pwede ni static siguro. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, let's go. Let's go inside. Oh. Okay, so yeah. Settings about. Yep. I prefer to invisible para hindi kayo makapit. Yeah. 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 Let's go. Anong meron dyan? It's the door to Master Bonko's tower. I haven't been there long. Okay. I can open it. Yeah, probably. Let's go back kung saan tayo nanggaling. Yeah. So this is the room pala. So bababa na tayo. Okay, let's go down in here. So dito siguro bababa. Yep. Sabarabashi. I can distill anima from these cylinders and use the power to reverse the upstairs. Oh. Another cutscene. Ooh. Activate anima vision. Ooh. Okay. Oh. Okay. Ganun pala siya. Activating anima vision. Grabe. Paano tayo lalabas? Wala naman daanan dyan. Siguro dito. Dito tayo dadaan. Uy, activate anima vision. Wala naman ako nakikita. Wala. Oh. Oh, nice oh. Nice. So, pwede na ba tayong dumaan dito? Yeah, probably pwede na tayong dumaan dyan. Ah, hindi pa. Okay. So, open it. A dual system. I can open alone. Okay. Paano yun? Para saan yung kinuha natin kanina? Hindi ko pa talaga gets. Hindi ko pa gets kung ano nangyayari. Ah, may hagdan dito. Oh, huwag kang tumakbo kasi masyado sensitive to si Ana eh. Ah, si Ann pala. Ann, napate. Sino ba yung Ana na yan? Ooh, grab the lever. The lever. Okay, love it. Love it. Cool it here. Yeah. Okay. That's it.
Are you there, Anne?
Let's go, let's go. Uy. Pwede palang tumalon dun. Oh. Yes, I'm here, ma.
Master Banku, are you alright? What's going on?
A rebel attack. I suspect they were trying to reach the tower. They have no idea what they are doing, or what is at stake.
Okay. So, ano ba?
What would you have me do, Master?
Be
Oh,
on your guard. The rebels have likely retreated, but we still have work to do. First, we need to restore power to the areas around the tower. Load the dispensers.
Okay.
First, the animal flow to draw from the tower's reserves.
Of course, Master. Leave it to me.
Once that is done, find out what is happening at the workshop. The ether bridge is our #1 priority. It's almost finished, Anne. I only have one more segment to install.
I'll check on Tiffany at the watchtower and get my wings. I'll call you when I get there.
Good. Oh, and Anne,
yes, master.
never mind. Stay vigilant. We're going home soon.
Okay, sir. So siguro pwede ko na ilagay dito. Yep, my mouse is not working right now. Let me control it again. Yeah. Yep. My mouse is not working right now. Okay. Oh my god, my mouse is not working. Oh, no. Hindi tayo dyan. Dito tayo siguro. Hindi na tayo lumabas dyan. Oh my god, my mouse talaga. Okay, so end muna natin dito. So habang inaayos ko pa, so sa episode 2 siguro mas maayos na tayo. So thank you for watching. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. At talagang napakaganda nito. Kaya sigurado ka abangan yung episode 2 ng Forgottenan. Thank you for watching.